Okay, I'll show you how to put the brass. Probably a lot of you have done this before, so apologies and wasting your time showing this again. But anyway, I use a longer bolt there, and I just engage it so there's a fair bit of thread left in it. And it's really just to align the bolt. So nice hot soldering iron, and just put it on there. It's sort of satisfying doing this. Try not to let it slip onto your hand, and you just push it in. Yep. So it just goes in until it's level. You don't want it protruding. You don't have to push it down too far. The brass is a pretty good conductor of heat. So just under the surface, maybe a little bit further. That'll get hot at the other end, so don't go grabbing it just yet. Obviously no solder. If you try to do it without the bolt, you can go in crooked, and that makes it really difficult to get the correct size bolts in there. There we go, just under.